Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a fun new video tutorial. If you're just joining us, my name is Mayowa and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a side ruched skirt using a velvet fabric. Now although I'm making this into a dress, I just decided to cut it up, like break the video up into two, just so that I can explain it better, because the dress has like two different design concepts. That the upper part, it has a different design concept, and the lower part also has a different design concept. So also that you can understand the video, I decided to break it up. So watch out for my next video where I'll be showing you how to go about the other design concept for the upper part of my dress. Now this is my stretchy velvet fabric, so I'm just going to place this here. This is my pattern and my tracing wheel and some of the tools I'll be needing for this tutorial. Now to start with, this is my pattern piece. So what we are going to be doing is to make this into a complete pattern, and to do that, all you have to do is just get your half scale block, this one, then you place another piece of paper underneath it, and a folded piece of paper, then trace this out. You get this full, excuse the fan. So you get this full complete pattern. I already had my darts taken out of this pattern, so because my fabric is stretchy, like I said before. Now the next thing is for you to determine how long you want your skirt to be, and this is the length of my own skirt. And then you come right here to the hem and you go in by 1.5 inches to give it that pencil shape. Then you connect back to your hip. I already had that done, so now I'll just move straight to drafting the side ruched pattern we are working on today. Now the next thing is to measure out how long you want your side ruching to be. So for me, I want my side ruching to stop here because I don't want to open up too much flesh. So I'm just going to stop my side ruching here. So then I will connect all the way down to the hem here. So I'll just do that now, like this. So this is what the curve of my skirt is going to look like. So we'll be cutting this out. This part will be cutting it out, and then this part is no longer needed. Now this is what my slash lines would look like. So I drew up my slash lines like this. So for this part of your skirt, you won't be drawing the slash line all the way to the end. You can see that I didn't have them drawn all the way to the end, just because when I'm cutting it open, I'll be stopping here, stopping here, stopping here, stopping here, stopping here. Don't mind this. Stop here, and then you get it. Now all I have to do now is to cut this out, and this is what is known as the slash and spread method. So I'll cut this out and then spread in whatever quantity I want, depending on how voluminous I want my gathers here to be. So that's that for the front pattern. So now for the back pattern piece, we'll be doing exactly the same thing as this, but then the only thing that is different with the back pattern piece is that you cut it open in the middle here. This is the middle of my skirt pattern, so you cut it open in the middle here, so it becomes two separate pieces. Then you add your zip allowance 3 cm. Maybe you place another piece of paper here using your paper tip. Then you add 3 cm for this side, and then also for this side you add another 3 cm zip allowance. So I'll be cutting this out of my fabric right now. Now this is what my front pattern piece looks like. I know it looks weird, but then just go along with, just continue with it. Then this is the upper parts, this is the waist, and this is the hem. Now this is actually what it looks like. This is where we'll be gathering. So let me just do this just so you understand what it's going to look like. Now just look at it. This is what the actual, this is where we'll be gathering. This is what it's going to look like. So it's all spread out now. This is it all spread out. So whatever it is you spread out here is clearly your discretion. So for me, I used like 3 to 4 inches, but for you, you can use any amount of inches you want, no matter how, depending on how voluminous you want the gathers here to be. Now this is the front piece, and these are the two back pieces. This is the waist, one piece, second piece. This side is the zip allowance. This is also the zip allowance of the second piece. So we'll just gather for this place, and this is the side that we'll be gathering. So we'll gather here, join this place together here, gather this part and join together here. And this is what the back piece looks like. So all you have to do is just cut out a facing for the hem here. So you cut out a facing for the hem here. You do the same also for the front pattern piece. You cut out a facing also for this part, just to turn like the raw edges inside. And now we are ready to sew our skirts. Now this is what my back piece looks like. I've already joined this at the middle. That's the zip allowance side, and this is what it looks like. So I joined it in the middle, and then I already turned the hem. All I have to do is just cut this place off to put it in. So I already turned the hem using my facing. Now all that is left for me to do now, this is my front piece also. So I also already gathered the ruched side. So all you have to do is to remember to measure. When you are gathering, you measure in the amount you like where you how long you want your skirt, your ruched side to be. So for me, my ruched side was 15 inches. So while gathering, I made sure I had 15 inches here. So, and that is it, 15 inches. I made sure I had 15 inches here. So while gathering, I made sure I had 15 inches here. And this is my 15 inches. Now all that's left for me to do is to attach both the front and back pieces. At the side here. This is also my front piece right here. So I attach and then I sew by 1 inch. I sew it by 1 inch here, and also sew by 1 inch right here. And that's the end of sewing this. And that's basically all there is to this video. If you'd like to leave your skirt like this, all you have to do is just fix a zipper to the back of the skirt and attach a waistband to the waist here. But for me, I'm going to be leaving it like this, all because I'm attaching an upper piece to this in my next video. So watch out for my next video where I'll be showing you how to go about it. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with your friends. See you in my next video. Bye.